Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Suhail Ahmed and today we are going to configure VLAN and trunks using Cisco Packet Tracer. But still, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. In last video I will show you how to configure VLAN. In today's video our topic is little bit similar with previous one, but now configure VLAN with trunks. If you don't know how to configure VLAN yet, link is in description and you can watch the video from the above video card. In short, what we have done in the last video is that we resolved the security issue for different department PCs with along using a single switch. For example, here we have two departments. The first department is CS and the second department is SC. CS stands for software computer science and SC is software engineering. So these two departments connected with the help of switch. Okay, so let's separate this with the help of rectangle. Okay, the first one is computer science department, CS, and the second one is SC department, software engineering department. So normally these PC can communicate with each other. So if we assign the IP address, click here, desktop IP configuration, and then we assign any IP address like 10.10.10.1. IP configuration 10.10.10.2. .10.10.10.3, and then the last one is IP configuration and then 10.10.10.4. Okay, so now all these computers are connected with each other. Let's check. Click here and then command prompts, and then by using ping command we can communicate with PC3. So let's write here the PC3 IP address 10.4, enter. So here you can see that the reply is coming from PC3 to PC0. So it means CS and SC department can communicate with each other, but with the help of VLAN configuration we separated this department. Also write here the IP address 10.10.10.1, copy this IP address, Control C, and then paste here 10.2, 10.3, and then 10.4. Okay, now configure to VLAN here. Click on the switch and then go to CLI, enter, and then go to the enable mode, EN. To go to the configuration mode, write config T, enter. Now if you want to understand all the concept of VLAN configuration, you must watch the previous video how to configure VLAN in Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video I am not going to explain all the things. So change the host name here to create the virtual VLAN. Write VLAN 10. Oh sorry, spelling mistake, VLAN 10, enter. Name of the VLAN is CS, and now for the second VLAN 20, enter. Name of the VLAN is SC. Now here if you want to show the VLAN status, sh VLAN br brief. Sorry, before that you should end the process. Now right here show VLAN brief. So here you can see that two VLANs CS and SC. Now to add the port, you should check which port is connected with switch. So close this and then click here, again click here, and fast Ethernet 0/1, and then again click here 0/2, 0/3, and then 0/4. So also write here the port F0/1, F0/2, and then write here F0/3, and then F0/4. So the CS department PCs are connected with first port and second port, and the SC department PCs are connected with third and fourth port. So again click on the switch, go to the configuration mode, config T, enter. Now write here the range of CS department, int range F0/1, the first computer and the second computer, 1 and 2, enter. Now write here the VLAN number of CS department, switch port, access VLAN 10, enter. And now write here the range of SC department, int range F0/3 and 4, enter. Now again write the VLAN number of SC department, switch port, access VLAN 20, enter. Now add configuration mode, or now exit from privilege mode, enter. Close this, and now click on PC0 prompt, and now again ping to PC3 computer, ping 10.10.10.4, enter. So here you can see that request timeout. So it means now PC0 computer can't communicate with PC3 computer. So that means now the CS and SC department are separated. Similarly, SC department can't communicate with CS department. Right here ping 10.10.10.1. Again request timeout. So it means PC3 can't communicate with PC0 or PC1. Discuss all these things with detail in the last video. Now in today's video we extend the same scenario. Suppose we have two floors now, and we want to configure VLAN for first floor and also for second floor, but also we want the first floor CS department only communicate with the second floor CS department, and also the SC department of first floor just communicate with the SC department of second floor. So copy this scenario, Control C and then Control V. Also fill this with color. Now here is the first floor and here is the second floor. We actually want to connect this CS department only communicate with the second floor CS department, and also the SC department only communicate with the second floor SC department. Change the IP address, click here, desktop IP configuration, and then 10.5, enter, desktop IP configuration, and then 10.6, enter, and then desktop IP configuration, and then 10.7, desktop IP configuration, and then 10.8. Also change the IP address from here, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, and then 10.8. Okay, so click here and check these PC are connected or not. Click here, ping 10.10.10.8, enter. So request timeout. So it means the second floor CS department also not connected with second floor SC department. It's all good right now. And then again check the CS department computers, ping 10.5 and 10.6, 10.6, enter. So here the reply is coming from 10.6, so it means the CS department are connected of second floor. So we have now two separated VLAN. The first floor VLAN is configured correctly, and the second floor VLAN are configured correctly. But now we want to connect these first floor and second floor. So connect the switch. Now let's check is the first floor PCs are connected with second floor PCs or not. Click here and then command prompt, ping 10.5, enter. So request timeout, you can see here, it means that the first floor PC are not connected with the second floor PCs. Let's close this. So firstly we should check which port is connected with the switch. Click here and then again click here, 0/5, and then click here, 0/5. So both the switches are connected with port status F0/5, F0/5, and now here F0/5. So let's add this port by using trunk mode. Click here, go to the enable mode, and then go to the configuration mode, enter. So here write int F0/5, enter. Switch port mode trunks, enter. Here just you should write trunks, enter, and the process right now. Also add the port in this switch. Click here, go to CLI, and go to enable mode, and then write go to configuration mode, and then write here int F0/5, enter, and then switch port mode trunk, enter. So again end the process, close this, and now enter here command prompt, and then go to the print command again 10.10.10.5, enter. So here you can see that the reply is coming from the second floor CS department. Write the IP address of second floor SC department 10.7, enter. So here you can see that requested timeout. So it means the first floor CS department not connected with the second floor SC department, but connected with second floor CS department. We can also check from SC department here. Click here, command prompt, and then first check the second floor SC department 10.10.10.8, enter. So the reply is coming from the second floor SC department. Then again check with the second floor CS department 10.10.10.5, enter. So requested timeout. So it means the first floor SC department not connected with second floor CS departments. So it's all for now. We have successfully configured the VLAN and trunks using Cisco Packet Tracer. If you like my video, kindly like the video and share with your friend. Also subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.